Hello, I'm Kyle Tambornini, the managing partner at Eason Tambornini. With over 30 years of experience practicing law, I've dedicated my career to helping injured victims secure justice they deserve. Truck accidents are uniquely complex. First, the sheer size and weight of trucks often mean life-altering injuries like spinal damage or traumatic brain injuries. Long-term rehabilitation and surgeries are not uncommon. Second, multiple parties may be involved, including truck drivers, owners, and trucking companies. Determining liability can be challenging and frequently include negligence of several parties. Navigating truck accident claims successfully requires an experienced attorney who can negotiate with confidence to maximize your settlement and leave nothing on the table. If you or a loved one has been injured in a truck accident, don't wait. Call today for a free consultation. Get your questions answered. If you hire us, you pay nothing unless we win.